Hey folks, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, we're going to be talking about day trading, but more specifically, we're talking about gap trading. Gap trading is by far the single most consistent and profitable day trading strategy found across the markets today. What I do is teach a course at LazyGapTrader.com. I teach two specific gap trading strategies. One is the morning gap trades, and the second strategy is the gap fill trades. In this video, we're going to focus on the morning gap trades, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the email that goes out to subscribers at 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 30 minutes before the market even opens. And here it is. We had a very busy gap trading morning today. As you can see, there were 7 possible gap trades on the list. And let me run through them, and then we'll go through some of the charts. PRGO didn't hit its level yet. The trading day is still operating. The session is still open, so there's still time left on the clock. Tenet Healthcare, THC, that did hit its level. I say gap lower. Support levels are $19.41, and I give 2 additional levels just in case it trades lower. Stop and profit target is about 18 to 35 cents. The next one is Target, did not hit its level yet. We'll leave it alone. Workday, you saw that one on the screen a moment ago. I say gap lower. Support levels are $82.27, and I give 2 additional support levels just in case the stock trades lower. Stop and profit target is about 40 to 75 cents. This is a minimum profit target. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. The next one is E-Trade Financial. I say gap lower. Support levels are $33.86 and $31.35 should it have traded lower. Stop and profit target is about 25 to 40 cents. TD Ameritrade, AMTD, that did not hit its level yet. So it's still a possibility as it's only pennies away as I make this video. And then the last one on the list is EXEL. And we're going to take a look at that one. It didn't hit its level, but it came awfully close. But I want to show you, for the sake of understanding the power of these price levels. Support levels are 21.17, and then I give a secondary level, and you see the stop and profit target there. Remember the 21.17. Let's go back to the charts and take a look at some of the stocks. So gap trading is when stocks are gapping higher or lower at the open. It creates an opportunity for traders that can identify a specific price target where a stock will A, be drawn to, and B, have a price reaction in the other direction. So what I do in my course is I teach exactly how to calculate these specific price levels so that traders can do this for themselves each and every day. Not only do I teach how to calculate the specific price levels, but I teach which stocks this works the best with, what are the certain criteria that are required in order to select the correct stocks that this has the highest probability of success with. So as you can see on the screen, Tenet Healthcare, we had a level of $19.41. When the stock opened, it opened down significantly from the prior trading day's close, which was up here at $22.67. So the stock was getting hammered at the open and traded into and slightly below the 1941 level down to $19. And as you can see, the stock found support at the 1941 and reversed or had a price reaction in the other direction, and just 15 minutes later we were at a high of $19.90, representing a maximum profit of 49 cents in just minutes. That's a fantastic scalp trade. That's a 2% profit in just minutes on a scalp trade. And you can see, as evidence of the power of these levels, look where the stock is currently as I make this video. We're hovering around the 1941, which shows you the power of these levels. Stocks are attracted to these levels, they react from these levels, and they come back to test these levels. Everything you see here is taught in my course at LazyGapTrader.com. Let's take another look at Workday. This stock closed over $90 by yesterday's close, and today's opening was $82.20, which is a few pennies below the cited level. I discuss in my course exactly how to treat an opening like this and what to do with stocks like this, but for this video, I want to show you the power of these levels. Look what happened just Within 10 minutes of the open, the stock was at a high of $85.30, representing about a $3 gain from that entry point in just minutes. That's a tremendous, tremendous bounce in this stock. That's a scalp trader's dream right there, folks. Look at the power of these price levels. The stock is attracted to the level and had a price reaction in the other direction. How about E-Trade Financial? I'm actually still in this trade. $33.86, and look where the stock is now, $34.39. It's a free trade at this point. I've got half the profit in my pocket, and the rest of it I'll let go and see how much gain we can get out of this stock for the remainder of the trading day. You can see the power of these levels. $33.86. The stock made a low of $33.72 and immediately had a price reaction in the other direction, and you can see where we're trading now. A fantastic, fantastic opportunity. Now we'll just cover one more. EXEL was a bit of a heartbreaker, and I just wanted to show it to you. You can see here that the stock made a low of $21.25. Now, if you remember from the email I showed you, the buy price, the level was $21.17. So we missed it by just 8 cents, but just to show you the power of these price zones or price levels, look what happened where the stock was made a high of $22.53. That's a tremendous gain in just minutes off of a buy price significantly lower. Now, we didn't get filled in this trade, but this goes to show you the power of these price levels and how stocks are drawn to and have price reactions in the other direction. This is a wonderful opportunity to build a foundation to understand how to trade properly with a strategy, a system, a systematic approach, and all the information that goes along with it. I teach you how to calculate the price levels, and I teach you all the nuances of how to trade them, and I teach you how to turn some of these winning trades into risk-free, emotionless trades that you can get big gains on throughout the trading day. Folks, you have to come over to check out the course at lazygaptrader.com. I teach you everything you need to know to trade the gaps successfully. I'm David Frost, lazygaptrader.com. Thanks for tuning in, folks.